In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Subway Surfers multiplayer. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect with friends. So all you have to do is download the latest version of Subway Surfers on your phone. When you open up the game, on the home screen over here, all you have to do is select Play with Friends plus Get Rewards. As you can see, you will have the Facebook Connect button, and this is the only way to properly connect with your friends. So all you have to do now is select Connect, and you might be redirected to the Facebook login screen, where you have to confirm that you want to link the Subway Surfers game. So as you can see, we're just going to go ahead and select Continue. When you click Continue, the accounts will be connected, and you should be redirected back to the Subway Surfers app after connecting. As you can see, it's going to load and Facebook will be connected. You'll get your rewards immediately, and as long as you have your Facebook friends also connected on their Subway Surfers account, you will be able to see them listed over here. As you can see, I don't have any friends on Facebook who are also connected to Subway Surfers, so their scores aren't showing here, but you will be able to see them displayed here, and you can compete with them as you wish. You can switch over to the Friends tab, as you can see over here, and see the leaderboard. Compete with your friends and you will be able to play multiplayer with them this way. Keep in mind that this is the only way to do multiplayer in this game and you cannot run together as you wish. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.